Hello Sanbonani, my name is CBO. Today we are doing chocolate lava. 3 steps: melting the chocolate with butter, mixing eggs with dry ingredients, then mixing everything together and bake. Preheated oven 180 degrees Celsius. Let's begin. Grate chocolate or use chocolate chips. Put the chocolate with butter in a bowl that is not sensitive to heat, then melt it on the stove over bain-marie. Once it starts to melt, remove it or switch off the stove and continue stirring until it's melted. In another bowl, beat eggs, for dry ingredients, sift flour, add cocoa powder, unsweetened cocoa powder, sugar, the granulated sugar. Stir. Mix the eggs with dry ingredients. You may use a whisk or a fork. You're mixing gradually. You stir until all is blended. Please subscribe and press the notification bell to be notified of new posts. Assemble every ingredient now. Pour the melted chocolate into the bowl with egg and dry ingredients that are mixed, and stir until they are all blended. The melted chocolate should be cool when it's mixed so that it doesn't cook the eggs. Add at this point vanilla essence, which I forgot to add. Cover the bowl with cling wrap. Let it rest for 1 hour in the fridge. And when that's done, the batter will be thick. Here, that's when I added vanilla essence, because I forgot to add it earlier on. I'd appreciate if you press the like button and leave a comment below regarding this recipe. Now we will spoon or pipe the batter into the baking tray. I'm using silicone baking tray. Please check the description box for suggestions if you do not have a silicone baking tray and a list of ingredients. Bake for 8 to 10 minutes. Plate or serve it whilst it's still hot, and be careful when you are taking it out. It's still gooey and soft. Garnish with cocoa powder, icing or powdered sugar, fruit, and cream or ice cream. I hope you have enjoyed this video and you will try this recipe. Thank you so much for your time. See you soon. Bye bye.